Good morning. Yung buhusan namin kahapon. Mula doon hanggang dito. Morning, boss man. How are you today, boss?
Good, boss. How are you?
Too cold. Good, thank you.
Yeah. Oh.
Napakan.
Maliit na bata.
Hindi napansin siguro. Doon sa loob. Kaya pa retouch, no?
May damay dito, no? Pagdaway damay. Walang truck din to.
6. 6 na truck din. Oh? Loko rin yung mga ano dito bata, oh. Sinulatan.
Yeah, I think that one of the things I had to talk. Yeah. Fine. Now when's this gonna be ready? 24 hours.
Dito ngayon. Ano siya.
Mandong.
Oo.
Damo na timura. Kaya pag taw-taw ka.
Oo, 10-10. Kagabi, nabot kami alas 8.
Dini?
Dini doon sa kuwan kabilang side. Tawag ka.
We just wait for Bodie to get here because I don't know what the other plan is.
Uli.
Yeah. If you look, this is my football.
Yeah.
Bunch of my football.
That's why I asked.
Yeah, no, we don't. Okay.
Oh, wala sa nari.
I'll call him now.
Culinary.
I'll tell him if he's not here, shut his mouth.
The instruction from me yesterday, bakit they will come here?
I'll call Bodie. You can open up the other side, then we'll open up the other side.
Ano bubutasin mo?
Ito. Pati dun.
Ano yung mga kuwan ba ito rito?
Service?
Service.
Service oh.
Ay, mga puno, ano? Mga ugat, ano? Ito tayo, guys. Ayan lang, hintay tayo mga foreman. Tayo muna tayo dun sa ating service charge. Kung wala pa kayo maginaw sa labas mga loads.